If you made the simple snout, prepare it for sewing. Lay one vertical stitch over the center to create 2 nostrils. Guide the yarn tail back to the center. Go under one nearby stitch with the needle. The snout is ready to sew on. The detailed snout already has nostrils. You can define them more if you want. Find the snout position. Place it a few rounds below the eyes. Keep it centered on the face. Insert the needle into the center stitch of the body. Do not pull it all the way through. Thread the center yarn tail of the snout. Guide the needle out at the back of the body. This holds the snout in place. Use the yarn tail from the invisible fasten off. Sew the snout securely to the body. Insert the needle into a stitch below the yarn tail. Exit through the next stitch along the snout's edge. Insert the needle into the matching stitch on the snout from bottom to top. Go down through the next belly stitch. And into the body. Bring the needle out through the next body stitch. Go up through the next belly stitch from back to front. Repeat until the snout is fully sewn. Guide the needle through the final stitch and out the back. Tie the 2 yarn tails together twice. Cut the yarn tails. Push the extra yarn tails inside the body to hide them